Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the project work performance domain. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So let's just start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. Friend, the project work performance domain addresses activities and functions associated with establishing project processes, managing physical resources, and fostering a learning environment. Project work is associated with establishing the processes and performing the work to enable the project team to deliver the expected value and outcomes. Project work includes communication, engagement, managing physical resources, procurement, and other work to keep project operations running smoothly. Project 1 is basically, this one may seem a little odd. It's all about project work. Think of this domain as being about the infrastructure you need to create. It's a kind of meta activity that includes things like communication, procurement, deployment of physical resources, and coalition of capability, knowledge, and expertise. The final domain in project work, and that is a broad area of project management that covers everything to do with ensuring projects can operate within the organization. It touches on the processes for running projects, resource management, and creating a culture of project delivery within the organization by making sure that project managers have the option to learn from each other and from their projects. This is the area where strategic alignment plays a big part, and if you have a PMO, their work will shape this domain from choosing the right project performance metrics to making sure you have the available resources to deliver this year's strategic priorities. There is a lot to consider if your organization wants to achieve its goals. Project performance domains are one of the new concepts introduced along with value delivery system, project delivery principles, and tailoring. Performance domains are a special grouping that serves to group the processes and activities that it contains in its content according to the qualities and characteristics features that will allow it to be separate from other processes. These groupings are critical to be performed in order to deliver the project outcomes successfully. In other words, performance domains are a broad range of issues that need to be focused as a project leader and project team from the start of the project to its delivery. In this sense, there is not so much changed from the knowledge areas approach in terms of categorization. However, there is a critical difference. Knowledge areas were essentially the groupings of areas that the project manager needed to know in order to manage a project successfully. Differently, performance domains are areas to focus on rather than know in a detailed way. The new approach prefers to give the project team and project manager in terms of using knowledge. Another important difference between the performance domain and knowledge areas is performance domains focus on outcomes instead of output. At the end of performance processes, knowledge areas produces some outputs to use. These outputs are only a factor of realization of outcome. All performance domains should have a set of measurable outcomes. There are 8 different performance domains introduced. These are the stakeholder performance domain. The processes, activities related to stakeholders are inside this performance area. As effective stakeholder engagement is key to the project success, the stakeholder performance domain is needed to focus on. The team performance domain, uh, people who are chosen to be responsible for developing the deliveries that will realize the business outcomes are the project team. This performance domain focuses on all actions and processes about the project team, including managing conflicts, developing teams, and monitoring their interactions. The development approach and lifecycle performance domain. This performance domain is about the processes and actions related to the lifecycle and development approach decisions of the project that is determined according to the characteristics of deliverables by using tailoring approaches. The planning performance domain focuses on actions and processes that will be useful to organize, elaborate, and coordinate work in the scope throughout the project. It is performed upfront and continuously throughout the project. The project work performance domain. This domain is mainly about establishing project processes, management of physical resources, and conducting activities to build an effective learning environment. The delivery performance domain. All projects provide a business value after successful completion. Deliveries and results produced as a result of the project continue to generate business value for a long time even after completion. The delivery performance domain includes all processes and actions related to the delivery performance of projects. The measurement performance domain. This domain is about the assessment of the project performance and decisions about the necessary adjustment to sustain expected project performance. The uncertainty performance domain. Uncertainty exists in all projects to varying degree. They may have negative or positive effects on projects. This domain is similar to the risk management knowledge area. So and whenever we read a project where work as performance domain, so my thought is that it isn't all of this project work. I look forward to reading and studying this. At the same time, this is one domain that feels off to me. The knowledge area flowed and all of it is encompassed project work. The performance domains were flowing, but what is this? I can't wait to find out. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues. Also friend, if you are planning to for the PMP exam, I would definitely say that focus on the uh, exam content outline, which is available on the pmi.org, which is very helpful for you to understand the content of the exam, and you can plan your exam preparation accordingly. So and also if you have any questions, so please do ask from me on the comment section. I would love to answer your queries. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you.